After a good night's sleep at Prickly Pear, we picked up some provisions at a little grocery store, then we motored over to our last stop at Joss Van Dyke to check out. We then took down the BVI flag and hoisted up a dinghy and headed out to sea. Because we had already set up the poles for the wing and wing, getting the dinghy up was a little more challenging. Good thing we had a few sets of hands to help.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Slow to go.
We set up the wing and wing because this passage was going to be all downwind. Having the wing and wing was so nice. It lessened the movement of the boat, making for a smoother sail. Before setting up the autopilot, we took turns sailing the boat manually so we could see what it felt like to sail on the open ocean. When the sun started to set, we ate dinner and started our shifts. Our shifts were 3 hours on and 3 hours off, 3 of us at a time. While on watch, we were supposed to be watching to make sure the sails were okay, the wind was still blowing, and there were no storms or boats coming our way. We learned how to read the AIS and radar. On the AIS, we saw a few big ships and one cruise ship. On the radar, we did see some dark rain clouds, but not much of a worry.
Isn't there like a cruise boat right out there?
Night out, we could also see Puerto Rico's lights in the distance. This was the last time we saw land for the rest of our passage. In the morning, we got up to see the sunrise. In the distance, we saw a rainbow. First night was with very little sleep was a success.